This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening a supported browser and positioning yourself where you can type securely. This minimizes errors. Once done, go to Accounts. Google.com or click a Google sign-in button on the site you're using. Make sure you enter the exact email or phone tied to your Google account. That identifies your account and loads the right settings. If you plan to use shared computers, decide now whether to check Stay Signed In. It's convenient but less private. You'll type your email or phone and click Next so Google can present the proper password field. This reduces mix-ups. Then enter your password carefully. Make sure caps lock is off and browser autofill didn't insert an old password. If two-step verification is enabled, follow the on-screen method. Approve a prompt, enter a text code, or use a backup code. These steps confirm it's you and protect your data from unauthorized access. Once you approve any verification and accept permissions, Google signs you in and redirects to the service you requested. This syncs your profile, bookmarks, and preferences when enabled. Make sure to choose whether the browser should remember this device. Selecting No on public machines protects privacy. If something goes wrong, clear the browser cache, try an incognito window, or use account recovery to reset your password. These fixes resolve most issues and get you back in quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.